So we're in Tokyo getting off the ship again. And these are the people coming back from the tour waiting to get on the ship. And there's a few of them. I don't know if you can see that line all the way down there. But it actually goes into the building. So I guess all the free tours came back at the same time or something. I mean, ours came back a few minutes ago and there was nobody. But look there, it's Viking. So we got back off the ship, like I said. We were like salmon swimming against the stream, right? And now shuttle bus. Shuttle bus. And it's a Resort 53. Woo, you don't see many of those. Yeah. Back from our tour, which was Tokyo highlights. So a bus ride to the Imperial Palace, bus ride back to the ship. We dropped off some stuff on the ship and got immediately on a shuttle bus back into Tokyo. Free shuttle provided by the ship. So going to some store which is near the Ginza. So I think we'll have time to walk there. Maybe see it lit up. So that's an old theater. And there's a skyscraper built on top of it. Sorry about the glass reflections. They've got the lights on in this bus and there's just nothing I can do about it. This is the famed Ginza area. And it's full of people. And a little bit later, I guess we'll see a lot of lights. Lighting it up. Not lights from the bus, hopefully. That's the Mitsukoshi store. Famous department store. So we turned up. That's Matsuya Ginza. We're driving down the road. Right in the Ginza. I don't know what street it is. Tiffany. Flower market. Shuttle bus dropped us off right there in front of the Mitsukoshi building, which is this. It's a big department store. Macy's. There's an Italian restaurant there and a Starbucks. The Ginza is that way, a couple miles, I think. He said we could walk there in 25 minutes, so we're gonna walk in that direction. I don't know if we'll get all the way down there. We want to be back here in an hour and a half. So maybe we will, maybe we won't. But we're gonna give it a go. Of course, if we have to wait at every intersection like that, it's going to take twice as long. Look at this stuff. Is this a river? Yeah. Let's get out here. So here's one of those little rivers. Freeway over it, and a way to get down over there if you wanted to get down to it. We think that people got off work recently. There are a lot of people in white shirts and black pants, some with ties. If you needed any copies made, there is a Kinko's featuring Kaneko Minota. Biz Hub. On-demand solutions. There's a lot of stores. I mean, if you want to shop, this is your place. And some of them I don't even know what they sell. Hey, but they're using Mac computers. Good for them. Well, one guy was. This is latte or tea. Ooh, yummy. Cafe Toyo. Yeah, because we're in a different place. Keep to the left. Because they're left side of the road people. So that's what I'm going to do. But all the things to see are over there. I don't know if you've noticed, but the street lights, the poles also light up. See them all the way down there? All lit up. And we're still in an area of very tall buildings. But also all shops, shoe store, men's suit, only think suit. I wonder if that's an American store, I've never heard of it. 38,000 yen, that would be about $380. Look, there's Tomorrowland at the Takashimaya SC. Takashimaya, it's across the street too. They don't seem to have street signs, or not one that I've seen. So that's like a jewelry store or watch or something. I mean, it's called Watch Maison, but I see what looks like perfume in there too. So we're like on a ship, huh? There's a look down the street. We decided we were going to walk a half an hour down and then come back. And either get the 7 o'clock bus or the 7:30 bus. And I don't know what this is. See these? There's like dirt everywhere. And these signs. See a patch of dirt? But it's all along the street. And they all have a sign. The Artisan Museum. It looks like an art supply store. It smells like, not paint, but like glue. So there's a restaurant, crowded restaurant. And I guess that's, I don't know. Was a restaurant? Is a restaurant? Tokyo 2021. Hey, do you know what those are? Up in Otaru, the lady was telling us all the young kids, all the young Japanese, they want a Western wedding, a Christian wedding. It's very popular these days, which means white dress. And I guess Tokyo 2021 is a store. I thought something was coming, but it looks like a store called 2021. Yeah, I know. With Sui Garden Hotel. See, dirt with a sign. And then a sign that says, don't cross the street here. And then one of these. The Kobayashi Maru. Star Trek. There's the Kirigita Ginza. We drove back past that building on the bus this way. So we're almost to the route of the bus. Tokyo Station here. I got Tokyo craft beer at the Lava Rock Dining and Bar. These buildings are tall, but look at that. It's a Honda. More shopping. Oh, Wild Turkey. A Wild Turkey store? Mediya. Shenzhen. Tokyo Metro. Kobayashi Station. It's Kyobashi, so it's not Kobayashi Maru. That was a joke. It's a map. There's the Pilot store. Don't know what that is. Oh. So we found the Mercedes dealer, and they have cars like that. And also the cheaper ones, like that. And then the really cheap ones, like that. They also have hats. 9,590,000. Janet's trying to find out how much it is. Tokyo Square Garden, where they have all these restaurants and everything. And it's a lovely place from the outside. They also have a brother. And they have Yoshinoya across the street. Tokyo Metro. Trees. Are these the first trees on this road? Yeah. It might be redwoods. Some of them, not that. There's another one of those freeways going across the street, going through town. That building changes color. You have the Decadence du Chocolat, Zest Cantina, among others. A patisserie. And this is like old building looking thing. I think it's a police station, but I'm not sure. Yeah. Chome police box. Now we're getting into the bright area. See that down there? Now we're down. It's 1825, 625. We want to be back up there at least 7:30. No later than. Got all the lit up signs here now. And buildings that change color. Although it's not changing now. And of course, if you go down there, subway station. But we're not going down there. We rode the subways last time. Could they not have got somebody who writes better? Anyway. Cross fast? We walked down there when we crossed the street, and we're coming back because we want to get back to the ship in time to eat. That's right, we are being driven by our stomachs. And we have to pack tonight because we're getting off the ship in the morning. So, yeah, early in the morning. We gotta get up at 6. So, sorry I couldn't do more Ginza for you. Some sort of Rolls Royce SUV or Bentley SUV. Huh. Hey, there's a Ginza Crazy Corner though. I don't know if he's advertising something or
protesting
or what. He's able to raise the lights up on his police car. There's a taxi. I see a bike. And I see an ambulance. Did he hit somebody on a bike maybe? Or is that a police bike? little excitement here in Tokyo. There we go. So walking back, here's some things we didn't see the first time, whatever that is. And there's a giraffe there. I mean, sure, it's just a statue, but still, how'd we miss a giraffe? I'm gonna have to look back at the video and see if it's on it. Maybe I videotaped it and didn't even realize I was doing it. But it's big, and it's wearing a crown or a present on its head, or a diamond maybe. I think we're getting pretty close to the bus stop at that store. I hope we are, because I want to take the 7 o'clock bus so I can make dinner. Rolls Royce. I think we're almost up to the canal. Coffee bean and tea leaf. Bashi information. I'm not sure what any of this means or says. Looks like a shrine though. And then we're back to the river with a pigeon. And a dragon. Maybe. So I wonder if this bridge is actually really old. And then they built this other bridge over it. So we got a bridge on top of a bridge there, see? But we are under the bridge. Look at these fancy lights. I didn't notice them coming. Fancy light poles, lamps, lanterns. I believe that's our goal. So we made it in plenty of time.
My granddaughter asked today why it's always Gramps on the videos. So this one's for you, Ashley. This is Janet from Portland. Say bye from Tokyo, Japan. The Portland is out.
She meant Grammy. Sayonara.